Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's December 1st, 2021. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon. What I'm showing you here that you can't see is I'm right along the beach. This should be the water and the boats and all that. And it's this is what we got here. Okay, it's all hazed in by this filth. And here's our sun. Look at that little 25-watt bulb. Ain't it a blazer? Oh yeah. I know I gotta slop on some cancerous sunscreen. But look at this. Look at this. You can see it here on the building and out here with the trees. Totally see all the haze coming in. You know, you want to believe it's just normal weather and fog and all that stuff, but I can't trust any of this. Why would I? I've seen the sky before this stuff. And I don't trust that. So anyway, take care, guys. Just wanted to show you another fun day at the beach here. Great.